For all the guys who thinks the plastic cabinet is not durable. Let's hit it one more time. Okay guys, so one more time here, we're gonna hit this 1/4 inch thick plastic HDPE cabinet because we've seen a lot of cheap imitation knockoffs out there that wish they were as strong as this plastic cabinet. And so we're gonna hit it one more time just to show you what this thing's gonna do. And I'll go ahead and tell you, nothing's gonna happen. You're gonna put a dent in it, but here we go. Try it out, Terrence. Nice. Dent, that's it. No holes, no nothing. Now hit a 16 gauge piece of steel or stainless like that and you're gonna cave it in, period. There'll be nothing left. This is a 1/4 inch thick, so 0.25 thickness. And yeah, that's 3 times the thickness of a 16 gauge. And there we go.